In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cancel Shopify subscription in a few seconds. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom. All right. Now, after that, you want to click on apps and sales. Okay. Apps and sales channels. Now, if you are paying for any app, you have to cancel that. Otherwise it will keep charging your credit card even after you cancel the Shopify subscription. Now, if you have any domain, as you can see, you want to click on domains. Now, if you have a domain, you can just transfer it, or you can just do whatever. Like if you are not paying for any domain, just follow these simple steps and you will be able to cancel Shopify subscription. Now, the first thing you want to do to cancel your Shopify subscription, click again on settings at the very bottom right, and then click on plan, and you will find here, guys, a few different options. Now, if you have paid for a plan, you will find here, like it says for me here, deactivate trial, but for you, because I didn't pay for a plan, it says for me deactivate trial, but for you it will say there deactivate plan or close store or something like that. You can just click this one, this red one, click on it, and you want to follow the steps. And yeah, you want to follow the steps. As you can see, you want to click on deactivate, stuff like that, and you want to follow these simple steps. You give the reason, like they are going to ask you the reason why you want to close you want to cancel Shopify plan or Shopify subscription. Give them the reason and just follow the simple steps and then click continue. And that's exactly, guys, how you can cancel Shopify subscriptions, so that Shopify will not charge you anymore. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.